You're very funny, man. Yeah.
My dick is moving.
He's trying to skip a vote. Are you kidding me? I don't think so.
He won.
Well, number three, guys.
Alright, yeah, number 3. This guy sounds like Emperor Palpatine. Can you, like, shut up? Wait, there's no way he's not. Wait, who's imposter? This doesn't even make any sense.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Dude, that made no sense. Okay, it has to be these two for sure. Number 3 and 4.
Yeah,
it has to be.
One of
It has to be. It has to be number 3, guys. Look, he's dancing to
They're
me.
both the imposter. We can't win. Leave the game, everybody. Leave it.
we got this. We can win.
No, if they kill 2 of us, they win the game.
Oh, because we can't call meeting. We can't call meeting anymore, right?
Okay, leave the game. Leave the game. Leave the game.
I still have my meeting.
I'm leaving the game.
Okay, yeah.